Time now for Lawyer Up with Lehn Law. Have a question about bankruptcy, family law, personal injury, or more? Give us a call at 206-9890 or email your questions at attorney@lehnlaw.com. Now here's your host for Lawyer Up. Here's attorney at law, Joseph Lehn.
I'm out of order. You're out of order. I can't wait to place my lunch order. Welcome to Lawyer Up. Lawyer Up Live is brought to you by Lehn Law, PA. My office is located at 775 Tamiami Trail in Port Charlotte and also in downtown Sarasota. This is attorney Joseph W. Lehn. I'm here live in studio with my co-host, Susan Woolwart, where I will attempt to give marginal legal advice on your issues. The phone lines are open. Dial 206-9890, and one of our talented phone screeners will take your call. Susan, what do you got on the docket for me today?
As I was driving over the weekend, I saw a really bad fender bender. And so I thought it might be a good idea to discuss the things a person should do when they're in a car accident.
Susan, were you in a car accident?
No, it wasn't me. I'm a good driver.
You probably caused a few. Anyway, good topic. Well, what do we usually tell people to do when there's a car accident?
Well, number one, I would say stay at the scene.
Good advice. Yeah, don't run and gun it and flee. Well, the worst thing you can do, you have an accident, is leave the scene. It kind of opens you up to possibly called criminal liability. Accidents are common, especially in Florida. We know why, who's driving out there. But yes, if you see an accident, you're involved in an accident, stay at the scene.
So another thing we should always do, and this is just good common human decency, go ahead and check on all the drivers and passengers at the scene. Make sure everybody's okay.
Absolutely. Safety is very important. If you get into a wreck on a busy street or highway, first of all, move to safety yourself. Don't worry about not moving the vehicle, but get out of the way. Absolutely secure your safety and check on the other passengers. You may need to call for medical assistance.
And you should call the police, too.
Oh, call the po-po. If the accident involves injuries or significant property damage, you got to call 911. However, if a minor fender bender, in fact, police officers, I know this for a fact, do not even investigate parking lot accidents. I've had one. They just, I was
going to say, how'd you know? Yeah.
They don't show up. So just exchange information if you have to.
Yeah, and that brings us to exchanging relevant information and making sure that you get the information from the other driver. I see this happen all the time when we take in personal injury cases. The driver didn't get any information from the other driver.
Absolutely. Exchange insurance information, driver's licenses, license plates, get phone numbers, and look for witnesses, especially somebody that can prove your point. Get their name and address. Especially a lawyer like myself, I want those witnesses.
Yeah, that's a good idea. And do not apologize, even if you think it's your fault.
Yeah. Naturally, the first words are, "Oh, I'm sorry." You're not sorry. I mean, you had the accident. It happened. It's best not to apologize. Don't admit any liability. And don't incriminate yourself. A car accident can be very difficult to pinpoint liability. So don't be overly apologetic.
Here's another good one. Do not give a recorded statement to the other insurance company.
Oh, absolutely. You know why, Susan?
Why?
The insurance company is looking to set you up. They're setting a trap to you. Oh, they'll play all nice. Oh, we're really worried about you. We care about you. Bull spat. They work for the insurance company. Their whole purpose is to protect their financial interest. Their whole purpose is not your interest. It's to not prove liability on their part and not pay the claim. Now, understand, you do have to give a statement to your insurance company, but before you do so, lawyer up.
Yeah, definitely. Speak to a lawyer before you go blabbing your mouth, right? Here's a critical one. Seek medical attention immediately.
You kind of have to. First of all, if you're hurt, you darn well better get some medical attention. And, there's a new PIP law that went into effect this January. It requires a victim of a motor vehicle accident needs to seek medical attention within 14 days of the accident. If you don't, your PIP insurance, which is personal insurance protection, injury protection, your insurance will not cover your medical needs. You need to seek medical advice immediately.
Here's a final goodie. Lawyer up immediately.
Duh.
So that's some good advice, Attorney Lehn. Listeners, do you need assistance with an issue? Lawyer up and call Lehn Law at 255-LEHN. That's 255-5346. And if you listen to Lawyer Up, we want to hear from you. Submit your question online at 98.9 MyFM or email us at attorney@lehnlaw.com.
Peace out.
This has been Lawyer Up with Len Law. If you have a question about bankruptcy, family law, personal injury, or more, email attorney@lenlaw.com. It's Lawyer Up Live, weekdays in the noon hour right here on 989 My FM.